Hi, Ujjwala. Good afternoon. First of all, thank you for taking out this time for this review. It actually means a lot, and congratulations on getting into one of the best schools for masters in management. That is ESSEC. So over here
Thank
again,
you.
you start with a small introduction of yours. So yeah, it would be great if you could just tell us about your say background. When did you graduate, etc.
Okay. So, first of all, my name is Ujjwala. I am actually a chemical engineering graduate from National Institute of Technology, Warangal. I graduated in 2019. And ever since then, I've been working with Byju's as a product developer. I'm actually a huge enthusiast for business. I've actually started a startup of my own. And in that aspect, I realized that I wanted to pursue something that would give me an elaborate set of subjects and choose my curriculum according to me. And hence, ESSEC was the perfect fit for me. Yeah.
Great. That sounds pretty good over here. I would say pretty strong background over here. You have your own startup, graduated from one of the top schools over here. Sounds pretty great. So over here, just a few questions regarding our services. How did you what did you like our services? How did it go? So that it could help other students as well to make the correct decision. So just the first question over here is that how was your experience with MIMSA?
So I had a very fruitful experience, actually, to be very honest. Just like everybody, I identified that there were certain highs in my profile, and along with that, a few lows too. So the one thing that I wanted when I started looking for a consultant was somebody who could be frank with me. You know, a lot of consultants we hear today, they were associated, consultancies actually, they're associated with certain schools, and usually this you see them pushing students towards those schools. And I didn't want something like that. I wanted somebody who could tell me, looking at my profile, what would work best for me. So I found that with MIMS, and I was really happy with the entire process actually.
Okay, that sounds pretty good over here, and we are actually happy that we were able to help you to get to one of the best schools out there. Moving on to the second question. So, how did you think that we added value to your application?
Right. So when I had actually started off with the application procedure, I was so confused as to what to highlight. Um, what we don't realize today is that every single one of us actually has a dynamic resume or a dynamic profile, and but we end up trying to just focus on things that we think or we imagine is going to actually get us through. But I think my consultant, she helped me realize that there's a certain factor about me that is different and that is unique, which I didn't know until I had actually completely frankly spoken to her about my profile. So I think that way it really helped me, the entire procedure, and realizing what is that factor about me, and elaborating it in an appropriate way in my SOPs and my answers and stuff like that.
Great. So basically, the personalization that was done over here is something that actually added value, like a lot of value to your application, and set you apart from the other applicants
Yes.
who were actually applying for the same program. Sounds good. The third
Right.
question over here is that what did you like best about our services?
Right. I think this is also in a way repetition of what I already said. But you know how consultancies have existed time immemorial, and usually what we see is just one or two consultants giving generic advice to all students who are applying. But what I liked about MIMS is they analyzed my profile, and they assigned a consultant that would best fit my profile, somebody who's already gone through what I've gone through, who aimed at the same schools that I did, and eventually wants to pursue what I do want to. So I think that really worked out for me, and that's what I really liked special about the service with MIMSA.
Okay, sounds good. And the last question over here is that what would be your suggestion for the people who are wondering if they should try our services or not? People basically who are planning to apply this year, next year, anytime.
The same thing. So what I really liked is the personalization aspect. A resume, when the interview panel, they look at so many resumes. The admission panel, they look at so many resumes, so many profiles. So really understanding what is it that you should be highlighting is actually very important. At the end of the day, the interview and the application process, it's an expensive affair. So if you decide on 5 colleges want to apply to, realizing what are the right 5 colleges for my profile is very important. And I understand that, and I realize that through this process, that MIMSC helped me do that. They helped me realize what are the best colleges that I have to apply to. And also the frankness. I had a consultant who was not even diplomatically frank. She was like, I don't care what you feel about what I say, type of frank. And I understand that is what you require. I don't want people to sugarcoat to me, say that, maybe this will go through and this might not go through, whatever. She told me I'd applied to 6 colleges, and it actually eventually turned out exactly as she had predicted, because of how we had sat through and we had actually designed our resumes, and we eventually put out our profiles. She told me, listen, 5 colleges, I think you'll make it through, 1 you won't. And it happened that way. When she said 1 you don't, it's like there's a lesser percentage, but it's still worth applying. And then we tried our best, but of course things work out and some things don't. So I think that is what I would like to say to anybody who's contemplating whether to take your
Thank you for your kind words over here, Ujjwala. And again, we are like very very happy that we were able to help you to our level best. And again, thank you for taking out this time for this particular review. It actually means a lot to us. And do let us know if you have any other questions. Always just feel free to drop us a WhatsApp message, and we would be more than happy to help you again. And thank you again.
Definitely.